to my channel. I hope you are all having a terrific day, and thank you again for being here. If you have not already, please do make sure to hit that subscribe button. I would love to have you as a part of our wonderful YouTube family, and we have a 1,000 subscriber giveaway going on, so if you have not entered yet, please make sure to do so. The link will be down below. It ends on the 30th of this month, so we are very close. And let's go ahead and dive in. I'm excited. We got our Adore box. Yes, it is an envelope, but it is called Adore box. For those of you that are not familiar, this is a monthly subscription. It is $15 a month, and it's more of a lifestyle subscription. You receive 4 to 10 items, and they could be jewelry, makeup, clothing, you know, just all kinds of a variety. So I'm super excited to dive in here, see what we got this month. And if I did not say this already, it is $15 a month. They do have the option, I believe, that if you want to go ahead and prepay for 3, 6, 12 months, you do get a little bit of a discount. So that is awesome. But let's dive in here and see what we got this month. This is for September 2018. Like really sticky. It's sticking to me. All right. There we go. All right, so I'm just gonna reach in and pull the first thing out, which is lip lotion. Is literally what it says. This is from someessentials.com. It is lavender. So it is a lip balm, I am assuming. Coconut oil, shea butter, almond oil, beeswax, and vanilla oil. So a lip balm. And we got something else right here in bubble wrap, which is also safety sealed. This is from Manna Kadar. This looks like an eyeshadow duo. This plastic off so I can show you guys. Oh no, it's a bronzer and a highlighter. I thought it was eyeshadow. I don't know, these shades I probably will use as eyeshadow. But as you can see, it's from Manna Kadar. We will open it up. I mean, the shades are beautiful. They really, really are. Well, yeah, that one definitely would be a highlighter. Doing some swatches for you guys. So here you can see the highlighter and the bronzer. I still think you could get some pretty eye looks out of this. So that is super cute. And then we got from Milani. This is a brow and eyeliner. 2-in-1 precision pen for defining brows and eyes. Tapered tip for precision application. Okay. Okay. Easy to use angled tip for natural looking brows. Okay, so one end is black for the eyeliner and one end is brown for your eyebrows. So there is that from Milani. That's interesting. 2-in-1. And let's see. We've got from CoverGirl, Melting Pout Metallics Gel Liquid Lipstick in the color 215 Mayhem. Turn it this way. See if oh, that's upside down. So that's interesting. It's definitely a fall color for sure. Let's see. Get the tape off again. Okay. So it has a sponge type. I don't know if it's showing up really good. Sorry. Like a sponge, and you squeeze. Oh, there it went. There it went. Put it over here. Oh, it's a very pretty color. It's very pumpkin-y and shiny. So that is a very pretty color, especially, like I said, for fall. And that's it, you guys. The card. I could have told you everything about the products. Okay. We have 2 products left, but we'll go ahead and look at those, and then we will review. So they're both by Dermal. These I definitely can tell are Korean sheet masks. One is Arbutin Collagen Essence Mask. It says brightening, moisturizing, and refining. Skin confidence with Dermal makes you beautiful and healthy. So there is the first one. And the second one, Skinaki, I'm gonna guess. Collagen Essence Mask. Firming, mild, healthy. Same thing. Skin confidence with Dermal makes you beautiful and healthy. So there's that. It does have a snake on the front. I don't know how I feel about that. But, so, 2 sheet masks. So what's in my September Adore box? Should have taken a look at this first. So we have the Some Essentials I'm Lip Lotion, full size. This is $6. It says affordable, all natural products. You can go to someessentials.com. And then the Manicadar Beauty Bronzer Highlighter, full size, $21. Long wear mineral powder, glides on smoothly and evenly to provide the perfect amount of color for a healthy glow. That is at manicadarcosmetics.com. And the CoverGirl Melting Pout Metallics, full size, is $7.99. Get gel liquid lipstick available at Ulta, Target, Walmart, CVS, and Walgreens. And I actually have not seen this before, so I'm excited to give that a try. Then we have the Milani Eyetech Define, this full size, $7.99. 2-in-1 precision pen for brows and eyes. Define brows and wing those eyes out. Available at Ulta, Target, Walmart, CVS, and Walgreens. And then finally the 2 masks. It says Dermal Collagen Essence Mask. 2 full-size masks, $6. Nutrients to keep your skin looking beautiful, healthy, and moisturized. So had I pulled the card out to begin with, might have been a little bit easier, but that's okay. So 6 if you count the mask separately. So it says you're supposed to get 4 to 10. That's right in the middle. So I definitely think that was well worth the $15. And I will make sure to link the Adore box website down below for you guys if you would like to sign up. And like I said, it is 4 to 10 products every month, and they can range from beauty to skincare. This month it looks like, beauty, jewelry, clothing. This month it seems definitely was more beauty focused, which is perfectly fine. You know, we love our beauty subscriptions here on this channel. So I hope you guys enjoyed, and again, do not forget to enter the 1,000 subscriber giveaway. It does end on the 30th, so we have less than 2 weeks. Otherwise, I will see you guys at the next video. I hope you all have a fabulous day. Thank you.